Hello, first graders, and welcome to another reading lesson of Meeting Characters and Learning Lessons. So, what do you think is the most important thing in a story? I'll give you a clue. Authors usually put the most important thing on the cover. Let's study the cover of some books. Here is Zelda and Ivy, The Runaways, Iris and Walter and the Field Trip, The Cat in the Hat, Horton Hears a Who, The Three Little Pigs, Goldilocks and the Three Bears, Little Red Riding Hood. What do you notice on each and every one of these covers? So, what do you think is the most important thing in a story? If you said the characters, you're right. Characters are usually displayed on the cover to indicate their importance to the story. We have learned to read stories and think about what the characters do and where they go. Today, I want to teach you that the best part of reading stories isn't that you go on great adventures, is that you meet interesting characters along the way. Characters are the most important ingredient in any story, so readers pay attention to the details to learn all that they can about them. Let's read a new book. The name of this book is called Mr. Putter and Tabby Drop the Ball. And you'll notice on the cover here is Mr. Putter and Tabby. As I read, remember to think, what am I learning about the characters? Pay attention to what they like, don't like, and things they say and do. Mr. Putter and Tabby Drop the Ball by Cynthia Rylant and Arthur Howard. Chapter 1, Baseball. Chapter 1, Baseball. Mr. Putter and his fine cat Tabby love to nap in the summertime. They love napping in the garden. They love napping on the porch. They love napping in the car. It seems like they nap all the time. Mr. Putter said to Tabby one day. Tabby was old and her frisky days were over. She loved napping. I think we need a sport, said Mr. Putter. Tabby opened one eye. I think we need baseball, said Mr. Putter. Tabby opened the other eye. I wonder where my old mitt is, said Mr. Putter. He headed to the basement. Tabby was wide awake now. What have we learned about Mr. Putter and Tabby so far? Well, we know they both love to nap, and Mr. Putter likes to play baseball. You can also introduce the characters to a reading partner. You might say, this is Mr. Putter. He loves taking naps with his cat. They take naps everywhere. His cat's name is Tabby. Tabby loves to take naps too. Mr. Putter also likes to play baseball. Now, try this strategy with one of your own books. Remember to find out who the main characters are and tell what they like, don't like, say, and do. Also, remember to introduce the characters to a partner. After you finish reading your book, draw a picture of the main characters and tell all that you know about them. Then send it to your teacher. All right, readers, off you go.